Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to check someone else's close friends on Instagram. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Instagram app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Then tap on Menu on the top right and select Close Friends. From here, you can select your close friends. Now to show you guys, I will go to another account and put a story for close friends. As you can see, I'm using another account now. I'll go to add a story and then add a story for close friends. To do that, I'll tap on story and then go to close friends. From here, I will select the previous account I was logged into. Now I've added the account as a close friend. Now I'll put a story by selecting close friends. Now let's go back to the previous account. From here, as you can see, the story from the other account is here. If it's for close friends only, there will be a green circle around it. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.